Hey guys, hopefully there's not too much, oh, and a truck is coming by right now. Hopefully there's not too much noise to record, and then a rooster crows. Hopefully there's not too much noise to record this intro right here outside, but today what I wanted to cover was going downhill. Now, I'm from Florida, so we don't have a lot of hills. We're pretty flat, but I do have a driveway that has an incline, and I do a lot of skating around the neighborhood, so I find myself quite often going down the driveway, and it's pretty steep, I'd like to say. And I just want to show you guys how I go down the driveway with both my regular skates that have dance plugs and my street skates, which have regular bolt-on toe stops. So I want to show you how I use both skates when I want to go down a hill safely, how I slow myself down, and hopefully this could be useful for you guys. Let's see. We'll start off with toe stops because it's honestly the safest way to get downhill. The way I do it is with one toe stop down. So with my dominant foot, I put all my weight into the toe stop, and this foot will be lunging down behind the one that is rolling. To start rolling down, lift the weight off the toe stop depending how fast you want to go. You want to make sure you are leaning forward while lunging and put most of your weight on that rolling foot. With that, you want to look over your shoulder always. Do not go down without looking. Look over the shoulder of the foot that has the toe stop down. I like to place my hands on my thighs to help push my upper body to look that way. Again, the speed is determined by how much weight you have on the toe stop. You can completely stop at any point. Once I get to the bottom, I make sure all the weight is on the toe stop and gently walk out of the lunge and get going. For my jam plugs, I actually slalom side to side. You can watch my slalom video to really break down how you do it, but as I'm going downhill, I'm rolling in almost a smiley face formation to each side. Slaloming can also be done faster or slower. A little trick for me when I'm going too fast or need to stop, I actually do like a small transition or spin once I reach to one side, and it slows me down enough to stop and then keep going. But of course, only do this if you feel comfortable. If you ever feel out of control, bail to grass if you have it nearby, or take a knee if you have knee pads on. I used to also just avoid the driveway incline completely by just walking on the grass that's on the side, even with my skates on. And that is what I do to get downhill. Obviously, there are other ways that you can get downhill, but these are the two ways that I like to use the most and I feel safest in. So if you have any helpful tips, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with my 365. I only got like 100 days left. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.